welcome to ClementTech.net for old learning using new technology. Today, the 2022 November the 4th, Friday. Nice day, let's begin. Today, I'm going to talk about the F string or float variable digits after the decimal point. Why I have to discuss about it? Because I'm now developing a trading app and then for the using of Python, and for the prices in the forex, sometimes they have a lot of digits after the decimal point, but some of them are only 2 digits, some of them 4, some are 3, some are 5, so it's a variable. And also for showing the pips, and I also like to show something like a plus sign here. So if it's just a normal way of showing, it's not very nice. Suppose I want to show this, and I've in my Emacs have some program on that called debug print. And automatically I will get some printing, okay, of the stop, and I see it. So it looks very ugly, not well aligned, and here no plus sign, so it looks very ugly. So in not a proper way, I remove it, and now this is the proper way I show you here. Now it looks much nicer, well aligned, and with the bracket, the minus, the plus sign. And how I make it, it looks very very strange, right? First of all, you see F string, it would evaluate on the fly of everything inside a bracket. Okay, so that variable stop, it's here. Okay, replace this value, no problem. But the problem is that this value is always for different assets may have different. Now this is basically euro to US dollar, but for a gold, a silver, or a Dow Jones Industrial Average, this will be different for length in different decimals. So they have different variables. Of course, I have some input to those variables, so the length must be a variable itself. So this is the variable inside a variable, okay? And the digit, number of digits, also variable. And finally, this F and this F are not the same. That is F string and this is a float. Determined as a float, okay? With a fixed length, a very nice alignment of the length of the variable. So first you determine the length of the string. The length of the string, I converted to string and the length, and it's just a one, it's just to make a safety margin for that. And the digit that I have the string of the stop, this value the stop here, I mean a stop value for those who know trading with know something the meaning of it. Stop, it's a mean of the price level. And I string and I split it decimal point. I split it and I take the later part and then I look at the length. So it will be at value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay. And so that is for the float part. Initially, I worry whether I can do so complicated variables inside this F string variable. It worked out to be okay. And then for the plus sign, it's simple. You have this plus D and determined to be a decimal, to be becomes a D. It means integer. Yeah, that is the integer with plus sign if that is plus, and it's a minus sign if that is below 0. So that will be good. And make it even nicer, use the count day. If you don't print it, count day. Then you have a very nice output.